Question number 156. Which among the following has simplest neural system? So as we proceed from lower invertebrates to higher invertebrates and then to chordates, lower invertebrates such as sponges or poriferans, they lack neural system completely. On the other hand, when we proceed to the next phylum, that is Coelenterata, and the animals belonging to this phylum, they have a simplest type of neural system. And the best example is Hydra. It's a free-living coelenterate and it exhibits simplest neural system. So first time the neural system appears as a network of nerve cells in coelenterates. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, that is Hydra. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is man and reptiles, and these are incorrect options because these are chordates. These are higher animals which exhibit a complex type of nervous system. And the next option given is insects, and this is also an incorrect option because insects belong to the phylum arthropods, and these are higher invertebrates which exhibit a more complex neural system in comparison to coelenterates. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 157. Read the characters listed below, and the characters given are production of stimulus, detection of stimulus, reception of stimulus, and transmission of stimulus. Now select the correct option that can be considered as functions of a neuron. And we know that neurons, they do not produce stimulus. But these neurons can detect, receive, or transmit stimulus which is generated externally or internally within the body. So they cannot produce stimulus, but they'll respond to the threshold stimulus which is detected, received, and transmitted through these neurons. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is B, C, and D are the correct options associated with the functions of a neuron. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss other options also. First option given is A and C, and this is an incorrect option because production of stimulus is not a function of neuron. Option number 3 is A, B, and D, and this is also an incorrect option. And option number 4, A, B, C, and D is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's discuss the next question. Neuralema in unmyelinated neurons of autonomous neural system is formed by, and this is a direct question, and the correct answer to this question is Schwann cells. Because Schwann cells, they'll wrap one time only around these unmyelinated neurons to form neuralema. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is oligodendrocytes, and this is an incorrect option because oligodendrocytes form myelin sheath in CNS. The next option given is microglial cells, and this is an incorrect option. Microglial cells are neuroglial cells which are phagocytic in nature and they do not form neuralema in unmyelinated neurons. The last option given is multipolar neuronal cells, and this is an incorrect option because multipolar neuronal cells are found in CNS and not in autonomous neural system. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 159. Type of neurons associated with middle layer of retina are, and this is a direct question, and the correct answer to this question is bipolar cells. Bipolar cells have one axon and one dendrite, and this type of neurons are found in middle layer of retina. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is unipolar, and this is an incorrect option. Unipolar type of neurons are found in embryonic stages. The next option given is multipolar, and this is an incorrect option. Multipolar neurons are found in CNS of human adults. The last option given is pseudo-unipolar, and this is also an incorrect option. Dorsal root of ganglion of spinal cord has pseudo-unipolar neurons. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 160. Find the odd one with respect to unconditioned reflex. Unconditioned reflexes are those which are inborn and not an acquired reaction. The very first option given is watering of mouth on tasting food, and as it is an unconditioned reflex, it is an inborn and not an acquired reaction, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next option given is watering of mouth on seeing food, and as it is a conditioned reflex, So this is a correct answer to our question. Why? Because prior exposure has already occurred and memory of taste has been formed. So just by seeing food, watering of mouth is occurring, and this is an example of conditioned reflex. The next option given is withdrawal of hand on touching hot plate, as it is an example of unconditional reflex, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The last option given is flowing of tears upon peeling and cutting onions, and this is also an example of unconditioned reflex, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.